The Barrier Island beaches of Ria Formosa Natural Reserve. Video 2. You will not like these beaches in the Eastern Algarve, Portugal, if you expect to just park your car and walk onto the sand. See much more in this video 2 of the series, Driving Algarve Guide, What You Won't Like. We are going to explore a completely different Algarve. This is an honest travel guide, what you'll love, and what you might not. In this video, we help you to choose the right place to stay. Most tourists don't know this. The Algarve is not a city. It is a 5,000 square kilometer region, with completely different beaches, 11 medium towns and a few nature reserves. In video 1, link in the description, you can watch why you may not like Monte Gordo, Alto Ora and Manta Rota beaches, in the Eastern Algarve. Driving west, you will see why you may not like TAVIRA Island Beach, Barril, Armona beaches. Or you may change your mind. This area, TAVIRA, OLHÃO and Faru, is not the Algarve of cliffs and rock formations. If you expect to see dramatic scenery, fantastic views, cliffs, caves, golden rocks for Instagram photos, you may feel disappointed. If you want everything in one place, restaurants, hotels, beaches, all together. Sorry, not on this area of the Eastern Algarve. You stay in town and go to the beach separately. It's a two-step experience. Because many people love the Eastern Algarve, and some maybe not, let's talk about the other side of this region. Welcome to Driving Algarve YouTube channel. Here you can watch lots of videos of the Algarve, Portugal. Please, give a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Next, the cities and the beaches. Keep watching, and leave your comment in the description. The Eastern Algarve is not better. It is not worse too. It is just different. And if you choose wrong, you might regret it. Most beaches here are on islands. To get there, you need a ferry or a water taxi, crossing Ria Formosa Natural Reserve. No cars, no direct roads, no bridges, except Faru Beach. If you don't like planning your day, note that ferries have schedules. You miss one, and you wait for the next. This is not, come and go anytime, beach life. The lagoon of Ria Formosa Natural Reserve protects from the sea, waves are smaller, water is often warmer. It is renowned for its ecological diversity and significant environmental value. It consists of a series of barrier islands, sand dunes, marshlands, tidal flats, and freshwater lagoons, along 60 kilometers. People who want nature and space, these beaches feel wild. More open space. You can walk for kilometers and still find quiet spots. Calm, warmer waters, relaxed swimming. YouTube channel at Driving Algarve is already covering the whole Algarve in more than 300 videos. Click the links in the description to watch some of them. Please comment, give a like and subscribe. Thanks. The city of TAVIRA is often called the most beautiful town in the Algarve. Less resort-driven, more Portuguese lifestyle. A unique mix of local tradition and Mediterranean charm. Elegant historic center with churches, narrow streets, an Arab castle, riverfront cafes, a peaceful atmosphere and the Roman bridge. Note that the river is called Sequa before, and Jalao after the Roman bridge. Same river, two names. But you may not like TAVIRA if you're looking for energy, a wide selection of bars and active nightlife. This is a place for slow walks, not for action. Live music on main garden, sometimes in summer. The ferry to TAVIRA Island Beach takes 15 minutes only, along Jalao River and Ria Formosa Natural Reserve. The boat trip is generally calm and pleasant, providing a moment of relaxation while you appreciate the scenery. Another ferry leaves Quatro Águas Pier, just 5 minutes crossing. Those who enjoy this journey to the beach, they feel that the ferry is not a problem, it's part of the experience. Crossing the lagoon, arriving on an island. It feels different. On the beach, you have fine white sand, vast horizontal space, natural dune backdrop, clean Atlantic waters. Various restaurants available. Another beach, Cabanas, is similar but limited as there are no infrastructures on the beach. A unique beach experience, called Barril, is situated 4.5 kilometers west. Accessed taking the tourist mini train, a charming 1,100 meters railway. Interesting beach with restaurants, facilities, pure tranquility, and the historic Anchor Cemetery, left by fishermen who worked in a tuna factory there until 1966. The link to the full video is in the description. Next, OLHÃO. Keep watching, please. OLHÄO remains one of the Algarve's most authentic working towns. Economic roots are fishing and seafood trade. Urban character. OLHÄO feels more local than resort-driven. It offers traditional fresh fish and vegetables, typical markets, a working harbor, fewer resort-style developments. A beautiful waterfront promenade, filled with cafes and outdoor restaurants, and the marina. Sunset photos look great. Famous seafood festival in August. Growing steadily tourism, but not saturated. But there's something most tourists don't expect in OLHÄO. There are no beaches on the mainland, all are located on islands. This is why many visitors do not like this city to spend their holidays. Some find it inconvenient to travel to car-free islands every day, just to enjoy the beach by the sea. Regret, if you want nightlife on the beach, too. After the last ferry, the islands become quiet. No parties, no late-night buzz. The most famous beaches are Fuzeta, Armona and Barril. They are time-consuming too. Arriving in Armona, the beach is 25 minutes away, walking from the ferry pier. YouTube channel at Driving Algarve is already covering the whole Algarve in more than 300 videos. Click the links in the description to watch some of them. Please comment, give a like and subscribe. Thanks. Those unspoiled islands are idyllic, but with limited services and few places to eat or shop. Fuzeta Beach is an exception. Besides the ferry that takes you to Fuzeta-Ria Beach by the sea, there's a smaller one, called Fuzeta-Ria, on the banks of the Ria Formosa Natural Reserve. A useful sandy beach with no waves, but with a car park, cafes. Close to the city center, it's ideal for families with children and the elderly. Barril Island Beach. The ferry takes up to 45 minutes to get there. Time to relax while you appreciate the scenery. YouTube channel at Driving Algarve is already covering the whole Algarve in more than 300 videos. Click the links in the description to watch some of them. Please comment, give a like and subscribe. Thanks. This is not a promotional guide. It's the reality. Eastern Algarve is not the area of cliffs, rock formations, beautiful panoramic photos. Conclusion: if you want easy, calm beach days, you'll love it. Ria Formosa Natural Reserve is a popular destination for ecotourism and nature-based activities. Its diverse landscapes and habitats make it a crucial area for biodiversity. Visitors can enjoy bird watching, boat tours, kayaking, and guided nature walks. Sustainable tourism practices are encouraged to minimize human impact on the environment. But perhaps you won't like this destination if none of this applies to you. In the next video, number 3, we will be driving west to Barril, the capital of the Algarve. The beaches are called Barril, Barril and Deserta. You will see if you like or hate the beaches of the East Algarve near Barril Airport and Ria Formosa Natural Reserve. This is the most exclusive atmosphere, a more interesting area of the Algarve. But you may not like it. Thanks for watching until the end. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up icon below and share it in your social network. To be notified of other videos, hit subscribe and the bell icon. Thank you very much.